Hey folks, I just want to go over real fast how to access to your motherboard and your SGI Indigo. First, we're going to pop the faceplate off, like so. Two tabs at the top here. And then the motherboard and the graphics board are behind this metal plate right here. Hard drives, tape drive, power supply here. Just turn this counterclockwise and it pops out like that. Pull. And then there we are. I think this thing pops off, but we just leave. I usually leave it in. You see here the CPU graphics cards are kind of like a line card style. You take the tabs and do what they say, which is pull. Careful. All right, comes loose. And carefully pull out the motherboard. And there you have it. And then we'll follow the channels that are inside the case here to reinsert it back into the chassis. And push the tabs in. Carefully. And close your plate like so. And pop the cover back on, feet first. There you go.